Hey guys, today we're going to do a monkey rampage. It's going to be running around killing people. So, I'll see you then. Punch! Man. Come in. Down. Boom! Oh, crap. Ow. Ouch. You gonna die. Boom. Where are they at? Oh, okay. Crap. Ow! And get the pin. Cramp. You can die. Okay. Come here. I only get a minigun. Now. Minigun time. You all gonna die. You gonna die. Rocket launcher time. Boom. Come on, explode. Yes. You're gonna die. Go shoot that helicopter. Boom. Okay. Boom. Time for the one-shot kill. The good thing is about this gun is that it's a one-shot kill. The bad thing is that I have to reload for every shot. But it's worth it. C4 time. Boom. Monkey rampage. I'm throwing my explosive poop. Boom. Crap. Time for hand-to-hand combat. Gonna die. Oh, and in case y'all guys don't know, we are using invincibility, super punch, aka explosive punch, and that's about it. Oh crap, we have 15 seconds. Oh, at 15. I gotta run. What are you doing? Yes. Okay. We got our invincibility back. Ow. Monkey rampage. Eh. Ouch. Gonna kick that car. Eh. Eh. Explode. Okay. Oh, I just had an idea. Okay, I will see you in a second. Hey guys, and for the finale, we are going to jump off this thing and explode. So, let's go. Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom! Hey guys, if you like the video, please like it. And as always, subscribe. Bye.